June 30, 2017. Okay, let me show Neotopia was. I didn't explain how. It was just about anything you said about that, you know. We're off to Neotopia. Oh yeah, Mario. Hi, Arthur. How you visit? I guess we was planning to meet in a bit of the process. What do you want, Arthur? Just a bit you imagine? I wonder what's going on right here. Sure. Did you want nature cats? Follow them. I guess we totally was so fast to please. Maybe next time, but you go, nature cat. I've been promised. Sister, I had to be changing for this one. Really? Nature cats has the Neotopia. Where should this in the Mario Studio? Holy crap! I wanted to. Indeed. Hello? Is that time again? Maybe you just possible for this. That one sure. I can just apologize. Okay. Let's get everyone aboard. Shall we? We had to turn on the computer and just the baseball. Yeah, Captain Nature Cat. You see me? There you go. Hi, Walligator. This? I've been waiting till you. Yeah, in the Mario Studio. They could do just once. Ethan will be good for this. See there. Hi, Detective Kaplavis. I was back. I was hoping. So, they wanted to just a lot of questions. Day to day for me right now. Oh, I guess that. There be once and we get notes a lot. Howdy ho! That would be cool. Usual for this one. Oh wait, nature cats, you here, man? I just about look. They should be nature cats